Hello and welcome once again to the Daily Message. Today I want to continue my reflection on the readings for the liturgy for the 13th week in Ordinary Time. They're from the book of the prophet Amos. And in this selection, we hear about the reaction of those in authority to the words of Amos. First of all, Amaziah, the priest of Bethel, he sends word to the king, Jeroboam, and he says, Amos has conspired against you. He's predicting bad things, that Jeroboam will die by the sword and Israel will be exiled from its land. Those things actually came true. So then Amaziah says directly to Amos, off with you, visionary, flee to the land of Judah. In other words, get out of here. There earn your bread by prophesying, but never again prophesy in Bethel, for it is the king's sanctuary and a royal temple. This little passage exemplifies the reaction of those in power, typically, to the prophets of the Old Testament. The prophets were not received well, as we know. They were ridiculed, they were rejected, they were persecuted. Jeroboam here, Amaziah tells Amos, get out of the country, just leave. And it's because those in power heard things from the prophets that they didn't want to hear. They were being told that they were not living up to the terms of the covenant that they had made with God. And so naturally, when people hear things they don't want to hear, they want to get rid of the messenger. The lesson for us here, I believe, is that we have to be willing to say things that are not popular when they speak about the truth of our faith. We have to be willing to face rejection, ridicule, even persecution for saying things that are true, for saying things that matter deeply about our Christian faith. And so we can use Amos as an example of someone who was willing to speak truth to power and who was willing to face the consequences for speaking the truth. Thank you once again for watching.